Hello, hello, hello. How are you doing? So today is part 6 of our 7-day transformational video series. I've had so much fun recording this video. You have no idea. That's why I always come with a heavy smile on my face. But it's not been easy, right? But I'm glad I'm doing this, and I know it's going to help someone, just that one person or whatever, that woman. So today we are going to talk about activating your voice as a woman, and talking about this talk, what I'm saying is that you were born with a message. Do you believe that? Remember yesterday we talked about personal brand is what message you want the world to know you for. So I strongly believe that we were born with a message. And when you look in the Bible, everyone that their names were mentioned had a message. And guess what? Those messages have spoken to us, they have encouraged us, they have helped us to believe that God has a plan for our life. Top of my mind come Joseph, Joseph, and even Jesus Christ, and Mary, we all have something in us that God will use or want to use. So when I'm talking about activating your voice as a woman, you know, is to share your message. And I'm going to be very passionate about this once again. As you know, one of the things that I coach women on, very, very effective, powerful. You know, your voice is your transformational tool. Things or situations we go through wants to keep at us to shut our mouth, because the enemy knows that when we speak out powerfully, things will turn around, it will change in the world. So in this series, I want you to know that activating your dreams to become the woman that you want to become, you need to know how you can use your voice powerfully to share your message. You know, the thing is that as one of the ways we empower women is to show them, give them the confidence to share their story and to use their voice, to speak out the change that they want to see in the world. When I talk about the world, I don't mean the whole world. You were assigned to a particular thing in this world, and that is your world. It could be motherhood, it could be career, it could be business. That is your world. And there's something in you, in your office, that you have to use your voice to bring that change in your church, in your community, in your field, in your industry. So you have to learn and know how to use your voice powerfully. If you have a dream of becoming that woman that you want to be, if you have a dream of achieving your goals, you have to know how to activate your voice and use it powerfully. Now, your life is a message, and you have to learn how to impact life with your message. That is your story. Either by speaking it, by documenting it in the book for people to read it. If you want to make impact as a woman, if you want to achieve something or leave a legacy as a woman, your voice needs to be heard. Don't shy away from it. Don't shut up your lips. You have to speak out, and you have to know how to use your voice impactfully to transform life. I'm giving you the confidence by watching this video that go out there and use your voice. You also have to know how you can give your message wings to fly. Whenever you are able to activate your voice, You see, in the current world that we are in now, I'm sitting here doing this recording. I'll share it on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, my email list, all my social media handles, and where I interact with my clients and my followers or my tribe. And guess what? This video can go anywhere in the world. People can share it. And by doing this, I have given my message wings to fly. If I sat in my home without recording this video, no one will hear this message. Or if I just tell myself, well, I don't care, no one will hear this message. So you need to activate your voice. You need to amplify your voice. And remember, your voice is your message to the world. And remember, the world is where God has called you to a specific place. It could be your home, raising your children, your church, your workplace. It could be in collaborating with mothers like you or women like you or young business executives like you or young career women like you, empowering them to experience change in in their lives. One of the ways you can activate your voice is to create a platform, a community, you know. And in these days, these things are very easy to do. You know, go on Facebook. If you have a Facebook profile, you can easily create a group. Name it what inspires you, or name the group the change you want to see. Name the group the future you want to see in the specific area that God has called into, and start inviting people. You see, when you even name the group, the name that you give to the group will call the people to join the group. And these people will be your community. They'll be your collaborators. They'll be people that you can share ideas with, you can support, and you can help. Through by activating your voice or by activating your message to help them achieve something or experience transformation in your life, in their lives. I want you to know that you have a voice. Don't keep silence, because someone needs what you have to help them navigate through life. I don't care how you see yourself. I don't care what you have been through, because I have been through some things, but I decided to activate my message and my voice, that someone can also use what I went through and I was able to overcome. They can also use it as a stepping stone to get to where they want to be. I believe this has encouraged you enough not to keep silence, but to activate your voice and know that your life is a message. Speak it out and help somebody and empower someone else's life. Oh my God, this is so inspirational. Let me know what you have learned so far for the past 6 days. Share it in the comment section whilst watching this video. You can also reach out to me if you are telling yourself that, Grace, I really want to know how to share my message by speaking it and by writing it. I want to give my voice influence. I want my voice to reach, to go global. I want people to hear me, my lessons and my strategies. I want to build a community and empower people. Feel free to reach out to me in my DM on all my social media handles. Also, you can send me an email at coach at gracekwashi.com or gracekwashi91@gmail.com, and let's book an appointment and let me help you start that journey of activating your voice and using your message to influence people. Your life is a message, and someone needs to hear you. You know, I was telling one of my clients some time back that the reason why I'm doing what I'm doing is that I have my tribe, I have my community. It's not everybody who will listen to me. So I have to empower other women to use their voice so that they can also go to the community that will listen to them. I told my client that I can speak my head out. It's not everybody who will listen to me, but if you empower yourself, you go out there and you speak to the people that God has assigned you to. God has not assigned me to everybody, but if I'm able to empower people, women, they go to the field that God has assigned them to, and when they speak to those women, they will hear them. Hello. Thank you so much for joining. Let me know the value you got from this video. So I'll come your way again with our last video series. This has been amazing. I'm so happy that I took this step to do this. Make sure you get the free gifts. Click on the link and watch that video. I've dive deeper into this particular topic, and let me know the value you've gotten from this. As always, take care. Bye bye.